Okay, at the moment we are going to be looking at particles. So, first up we are going to look at wa. So, watashi wa mikan desu. So, wa marks the topic of the sentence. In this case, the topic is watashi, or me. This is what you'll see most often. However, the topic of the sentence, or what the sentence is about, isn't always watashi. For example, it can be hon. Hon wa aoi desu. Hon wa aoi desu. So the book is blue. So the topic of the sentence, so what the sentence is about is the book. The sentence isn't about blue. Otherwise, we'd have to say blue is a book, and that doesn't make sense. However, it's hon wa aoi desu. So the book is blue. So wa, it marks what you're actually talking about. So you might have to, if you're writing a sentence, you have to think, what is the rest of the information describing? What is the rest of the information about? So it's usually the actions of a person, or it's describing a noun. Okay, next. 食べ物を食べます. So remember here, we can have a 私は or someone else's name. みちこは食べ物を食べます. So I accidentally clicked and made this happen. But you can see that the apple went into the mouth. So basically this o is implying a direct action to a noun. So the noun in this instance is 食べ物 or food, and the verb is 食べます. So we ate the food. We directly acted upon the food. We actually did something to the food. So 食べ物を食べます. Okay. So we can see another example here. I put my line in the wrong spot. Sorry, that should be here. So 水を飲みます. So I drink the water. And again, we can have 私は、みちこは、母は, any sort of name there marked by wa, because they're the person that would actually be doing the action. Okay. This one's a little bit different. 友達と話します. So this is talk with a friend. So we're not actually acting upon our friend. We're doing something reciprocal. So you can see here, it's going both ways. We're talking together. So to, as you know, means and. However, we use it instead of o when we say 話します because it's a reciprocal action. We're not acting upon our friend, we're acting with our friend. Me and our friend are talking together. 友達と話します. Okay. So 学校に行きます. So again, we have a noun with 学校, school, and a verb with 行きます. However, we don't use o. Again, this is because we're going to the school. So if you have a look, we're actually moving to the school. So ni translates best to to. So we use it when we are going from a location or to a location. So if we're going to school, 学校に行きます. So it implies movement. We can also use it if we were going to write, for example, here, the time that we did it. So we could say 月曜日に学校に行きます. So we mark that 月曜日に we went to school. So don't be afraid to have two ni's in the one sentence. It's perfectly fine if you mark time and then you say you go to a place. Ka is easy. Just stick it to something and make it into a question. So お元気です is I am well. お元気ですか are you well? It's a question. Okay? 次. And で means you're doing something at a place. So 学校で at school テニスをします. So the boy is already at school. We saw him go to school. And now he can do another action at school. So here again we have two particles. We've got で happening at the place, and then をします. So he's playing tennis, doing tennis. He's acting upon the tennis ball and the tennis racket, but he's doing it at a place. So hopefully this helped to bring your understanding up of particles a little bit better. Hai, sayonara.